DJI Mavic Mini. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable. Mavic Mini comes equipped with a 360 degrees propeller guard that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Thanks to advanced sensors, Mavic Mini can also hover precisely. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. A dedicated remote controller maintains an HD video feed at a distance of up to 4 kilometers. Detachable control sticks can be easily stored inside the remote controller for added portability. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer fly cams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Osmo Pocket. The Osmo Pocket uses DJI's smallest 3-axis mechanical handheld gimbal. Osmo Pocket transforms all your life's moments into wonderful images. It snaps photos in stunning detail, thanks to a 1/2.3-inch sensor, 80 degrees off, and f/2.0 aperture. It can also shoot 4K/60 FPS video at 100 Mbps, slow motion video at 1080p/120 FPS 4x, and photos at 12MP with a pixel size of 1.55 micrometer for footage worth sharing every time. Osmo Pocket boldly embodies the DJI approach to modern technology. The candy bar-sized device was made to be as convenient as your smartphone, wallet, and other daily essentials to offer everything you need for shake-free footage in any situation. Osmo Pocket doesn't just let you shoot smooth, cinematic footage. With access to several intelligent functions like Active Track, Motion Lapse, and 3x3 Panorama, Osmo Pocket unleashes your creativity with impressive effects that are impossible with smartphones. GoPro Hero 9. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new 23.6 megapixel image sensor and is powered by the GP1 processor from the previous model. The camera can now record up to 5K 30 FPS videos and capture 20 megapixel stills. There's a new front-facing color LCD display that should be useful for framing your shots when you have the camera pointed towards you. The Hero 9 Black has a larger battery compared to the Hero 8 Black. That GoPro says should deliver up to 30% improvement in battery life. The camera is slightly larger and heavier than previous models. Due to these additions, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters. It supports a single microSD card and has a USB Type-C port for charging. DJI OM4. The DJI OM4 is a foldable stabilizer designed to complement your smartphone, allowing you to start recording right away. Magnetic, ultra-compact, and bursting with easy-to-use features, OM4 is the ultimate solution for sharing your world. The magnetic phone clamp and magnetic ring holder enable effortless capture whenever inspiration strikes. Attach your smartphone to DJI OM4 instantly. Perfect for filming on the go. Active Track 3.0 makes following subjects a walk in the park. This version recognizes adults, children, and pets with higher accuracy, and you can even fine-tune your image composition with the joystick. DJI OM4 was designed to provide unbelievably smooth footage along with countless creative shooting options. OM4 directly controls the shutter of most smartphone cameras and has also been specially optimized for certain brands. DJI Ronin S. The Ronin S was designed in a single-handed form factor for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The Ronin S empowers creators to shoot with the freedom of stabilized shots on the move. The Ronin S gives independent filmmakers the power to capture spontaneous moments with clarity, smoothness, and a refreshing perspective. The detachable, modular design of the Ronin S makes it easy to fit inside a backpack on your travels. Thanks to the industry-standard quick-release plate design, you can easily mount the camera onto the gimbal for tracking shots or on a tripod for stills. The Ronin S includes a suite of automated features within the DJI Ronin app, letting you produce even more creative professional footage to unlock your true filmmaking potential. Sony a6400 mirrorless camera. The Alpha a6400 from Sony is an APS-C format mirrorless camera that adopts many of the features normally reserved for their full-frame lineup. This includes an autofocus acquisition of 0.02 seconds, real-time IF and real-time tracking capabilities, high-speed shooting up to 11 fps and silent shooting up to 8 fps, both with eye tracking, an upgraded Bionic X image processing engine, an LCD touchscreen that tilts 180 degrees up and 74 degrees down, Ultra HD 4K movie recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, internal recording for time-lapse videos, and more. The a6400 is well suited for both photo and video creators, ranging from professionals to vloggers. The touchscreen design also allows for intuitive touch-to-focus control. Additionally, for wireless remote control over the camera, or for just sharing imagery online, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC permits linking with a mobile device for intuitive wireless control.